Did you know that our gut contains about 100 trillion bacteria? About 70 to 80% of our body's immune cells are present in the gut. And do you even know that our gut has about 100 million neurons that regulate our mood? Crazy, right? Hi, I am Dr. Zainab Tajir, and today we are going to discuss all about gut health. So like we already know, the basic function of our gut, that is our digestive system, is digestion. So it is basically responsible for digestion of our food, absorption of all the important nutrition from our food, and throwing away all the waste material. But is that it? No, not really. Our gut also plays a very important role in regulating our mood, in having a healthy immune system, because like I already mentioned, it contains about 70 to 80% of our immune cells. So maintaining a healthy gut is really a primary responsibility because it determines our overall health. Now our gut basically includes the following organs. It starts right from the mouth, goes down to the pharynx, the esophagus, our stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, gallbladder. All these are a part of our gut, and maintaining the health of each and every organ is very important. So today we are going to discuss about the various signs which shows that you have an unhealthy gut, and also we are going to talk about ways how you can correct it. So the signs of the unhealthy gut are, the first sign is an upset stomach. Now, the different problems such as bloating, gases, abdominal pain, constipation, diarrhea, all these are signs that your gut is not healthy and we need to correct the imbalance. The second sign is unintentional weight changes. Now, sudden weight loss or weight gain, in spite of having no change in your diet or your exercise, shows that there is something wrong with your gut. It shows that there is something wrong with the bacteria in our gut, and thus we need to correct this imbalance. The third sign of the unhealthy gut is sleep disturbances or feeling very lethargic. Now, did you know that about 95% of serotonin is basically a hormone that regulates our sleep, is produced in our digestive system. Therefore, when you do not have a healthy digestive system, it also results in disturbances in your sleep. The fourth sign that shows that you have an unhealthy gut is skin irritation. Now, whenever your gut is unable to digest something properly, it results into inflammation in your gut, which then results into leaking of various proteins which cause skin irritation. So problems like eczema, psoriasis, etc. are also partly related to an unhealthy gut. The last thing is food intolerances. So what this really means is that your body is unable to digest a particular group of food. So we know many who suffer from lactose intolerance, etc. So the problem that your body is unable to digest indicates that the bacteria in a body are not healthy, in your gut are not healthy, hence it requires you to correct it. Now we are going to talk about the 6 things that you can do to have a healthy gut. The first thing is including prebiotics and probiotics in your food. What does this really mean? Prebiotics are basically food groups that promote the growth of healthy bacteria, and probiotics are actually live bacteria. Prebiotics are mainly included in foods such as onions, garlics. It's present in oats, in all kinds of fibrous foods, and probiotics are basically our yogurt, our buttermilk, etc. So including these in your diet can really help to improve your digestion and your gut health. The second thing you have to do is eat slowly. So when you eat slowly, you give your body enough time to digest the food that it is eating, to absorb the important nutrients, and thus it overall results into having a healthy gut and also is important for building a good immunity. The third thing that you have to do is include as much as fermented foods in your diet, because again it promotes the growth of healthy bacteria in our gut and thus improves our digestion overall. The next thing that we have to do is get enough sleep. Now, sleep is extremely important for maintaining a good gut health. Also, if your gut is not healthy, it kind of hampers your sleep. So this is like a vicious cycle which needs to break, and it is very important for you to get a regular 7 to 8 hours of sleep. The next thing you will do is reduce your stress, because again that results into inflammation of gut. I have an entire video on stress management and what stress exactly is. You can maybe check out here. The next important thing is to stay hydrated. Now, what water really does is it maintains the health of the mucosal lining in our intestine, which is very, very important. Therefore, maintaining a good hydration, drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day is extremely important. And the last thing that you need to do is reduce the amount of packaged foods, processed foods, junk food, sugary food, because all this is extremely disastrous for our health. It kind of hampers the healthy bacteria in our gut and in turn reduces our immunity as well. So I hope this was helpful. If you enjoy watching my videos, please do consider liking this video, sharing it with your friends and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for being here.